Hello everyone, most welcome on my YouTube channel Insta Fashion. In this video, we will briefly discuss about another famous Canadian curvy Instagram model Misty. Her real name is Misty. Birth date: Misty was born on almost 24 October 2002. Birthplace: Misty was born in Canada. Nationality: Canadian. Misty is plus size model, medical student, fashion blogger, influencer, actress, TikTok star, social media star and Insta fashion celebrity. Figure size: Misty figure size is almost 37. Misty figure is so cute and beautiful. Eyes color: Misty eyes color is brown and white. Her eyes are so pretty and lovely. Height: Misty height is approximately 5 feet 4 inches tall, plus size curvy model. Body weight: Misty body weight is approximately 67 kilograms. Hairstyle: Misty hair color is reddish and black. Her hairs are so pretty and lovely. Net worth: Misty net worth is almost $9,000 per month. Marriage status: she is currently single and looking for a cute and sweet life partner. Followers: Misty has 92.6 thousand followers with 405 posts on her Instagram account at the time of making this video. Her Instagram account username is DOC Misty. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe now Insta Fashion for more curvy models, biography and updates videos. Please visit our website getoverallinfo.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and love you dear viewers.